My pup Luke is going to be joining us for today's makeup look, which is a Harry Potter inspired look because of the 20th Harry Potter anniversary. I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and get this makeup off, take the glasses off, and get started. So for primer, we're going to use this trial size Smashbox Photo Finish. For foundation, we're doing Tarte Shape Tape. This is the matte foundation. This color is light medium honey. Now we're going with It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Primer. And this I'm going to use underneath my eyes. Next we are going to set that to bake. So we're going to put a heavy amount of finishing powder on top of underneath the eyes, and then we'll go ahead and powder the rest of the face. We're going to do something similar, but I wanted to use a different primer for the top because I am going to go strong in with some creasing and some glitter. So I'm going to my favorite NYX glitter primer, and we want to do the same thing and set that with some setting powder. Now the bottom is pretty good, so we're going to just take a big fluffy brush and just wipe away some of that excess. We're going to go in with this Revolution palette. This is Forever Flawless, and this does have two of the greens we are going to use. We're going to go in with Budgie first, which is the lightest color. In honor of the theme, we are going in with these Harry Potter eyeshadow brushes. These are really cool themed. This one is Hogwarts. Now this is going to be light to dark with some kind of shimmer and glitter on the inside. So for right now, the whole entire lid up and out to as far as I want, we're going to go with this lightest color. Now I am pulling it up out here because I do want that more of a fierce look, but don't worry about the line not being perfect because we can clean that up afterwards. Next color, just using that same brush, we're going to do Jungle. We are going to start just a little bit under to get that ombre effect. Okay, I grabbed this smaller compact brush to go over with the light green just a little bit to fill in complete to the brows. I don't have a whole lot of lid to work with, so I utilize the extra all the way to my brows to give the look more intensity and more color visible. Wipe that away. There we go. Now we're going to go in with the darker green. So I did switch to a smudger brush. This one allows me to be more precise on where I want the green. And for that we are using Kat Von D. This color is Iggy. So let's just go ahead and start where the natural crease line is right there to give that some depth. So right here, when you get to the end of that crease, you kind of already want to work your way up with the wing so it doesn't end up looking too droopy. Okay, so don't forget to bring it in all the way to the inner eyelid. Follow that crease along. Now we're going in with some more of this NYX glitter primer, and we're just going to take a precision brush, and this is going to go just on the lid. The glitter we're using is the brand Pink Maya. This glitter I purchased at a rodeo event. This color is Ladies Night, and it is some good stuff. So we're using this same brush that already has a little bit of that glitter primer, so it is sticky, and we are just going to pat. So before we go ahead and add some green to the bottom, I am using this Mary Kay eye makeup remover. I'm taking a Q-tip. I just put a little bit there on the edge of the Q-tip, and we are just going to give ourselves a little cleanup. Now I'm going to go in with that original concealer brush and use some of this Jeffree Star concealer. This is in the color C4, and we are going to reapply a little bit of makeup right here and make that stand out a little bit more. Now let's go in with that Kat Von D green color. Don't like quite how harsh it is, so we're going to use some of the lighter green. Now we're going to add the liner. I am taking NYX Vinyl Black Liquid Eyeliner. Now we are going to curl and go in with the Maybelline Lash Paradise. Now it is time for the other eye. We're going to start off with this Milani color. It's called Bella Rouge, and we are using the Gryffindor brush. Now I am grabbing a different blending brush, and we are going to use this MAC shimmer color. This is color Claret Luxe. Now we use the same brush, and we're going to go into Jeffree Star's first eyeshadow palette, Androgyny, this fetish color. I feel like that's not maroon enough. Let's go ahead and go in with a purple to darken it up. So I'm thinking this Androgyny color. Okay, I think we have a lot of cleaning up to do, but that purple did help soften it up. Whew, okay, that took about a million Q-tips. And we will fix the eyebrows. I just realized I didn't even do the eyebrows. So let's go ahead and get the liner. Actually, we do want to intensify by going in with a little bit of concealer. Now for the liner. The glitter that we're using is Gold Digger Effects, which is by Tattoo Junkie. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and finish the liner. I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows off camera, and then we will come back and finish cleaning this stuff up right here and doing the lips. Okay, so since my face is powdered up already, I'm going to go in with a powder foundation. This is the MAC Studio Fix. This is color C4. I'm just taking my beauty blender on the little bit more pointed side, and I am just getting all up in there. And the idea is to just blend this out. I still want some highlight underneath to really enhance. Okay, let's go ahead and finish the face before we get to the lips. I'm using this e.l.f. contour palette. For highlight, we're using the Good Faithful Tarteist Pro Glow options. And we are going to use this lightest color, Strobe. And I'm using a fan brush. For lips, we are doing a combination of yellow and blue. So yellow, I am going in with Jeffree Star. You can tell I love his products. He has so many different colors. So this is his Velour Liquid Lip. I'm going to take this small brush So I have had this for a long time and I don't think I have any more left. Let's see if we can make this work. This is looking very clumpy, so I don't think I can do anything about that. What we're gonna do is put this on the list to order another one. But in the meantime, I do have, this is a face paint. So we're going to dip this same brush and hopefully utilize some of this color, but it's too dry, so it's too clumpy. The face paint would not work on its own on my lips, not the yellow anyway. It's just not thick enough, but this is my style of makeup. I am not a professional by any means, and I make things work. Blue, we will be using NYX, oh, not that eyelash, no. We will be using this NYX So to tone down the bottom colors, because I do think they are a bit neon and bright, I am going back in with Androgyny and we're going to use this gold color. Okay, the yellow is toned down just a little. Now let's do the same with the blue. And I am using Swallow. We are finally all done. Thank you all so much for watching. This is the finished look. I am much happier with the toned down gold, yellow, and then the blue. I think it's much more accurate to the true house colors. So let me know in the comments below what house you belong to. I am House Slytherin. Whoop, whoop. So thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Consider subscribing, and I will see you all on the next one.